Hi everyone, welcome back to Creative Cubs Art. Today we are drawing the one and only Garfield, the king of laziness and the lover of lasagna. So let's start. First, I drew his tiny cute nose. Right after that, I started his two big sleepy eyes. Then I drew the heavy eyelids because Garfield is always looking like he just woke up from a nap. Next, I made his chubby mustache area, that round yellow part around his mouth. That's what makes him look extra grumpy and extra cute at the same time. After that, I completed the shape of his face. After that, I drew his pointy little ears. Now comes the big round body. I drew his back and his fluffy tummy. And then I added one hand hanging down like he's casually walking and judging everyone. Then I drew his legs and feet. First, the front foot, the one that is clearly showing. And then the back foot, stepping forward like he's on a very slow mission, probably to find food. Next, I added his long curved tail. After that, I drew the little stripe patches on his face and back to give him that classic Garfield look. And finally, it's time to color. I colored the mustache area in bright yellow and the rest of the body in a shade of orange. And that's it. Our lazy but lovable Garfield is ready. If you enjoyed drawing with me, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Creative Cubs Art for more fun drawings. See you in the next video. Bye bye.